Cloudy day today. Guess I'm gonna go shopping because no pool today. Laptop, my bed, Mr. Flamingo. And for once, I have a second room. Flat screen TV. As you can see, the pool right outside the room. Kids are out there playing. Well, it ain't raining. One good thing we could say, it ain't raining. Yeah, it was. There's sprinkles out there. We have more children here. Where'd these kids come from?